Dirty lens.
So this is the window from out of the box. Now, last time what I did was I put the caulking onto the house. This time I'm gonna put it onto the window. Maybe that will make a difference. So I'll put a bead of caulking Okay, and so this is the top here. We're gonna leave the bottom, not gonna put any caulk on the bottom. Okay. So if you don't mind coming over here, Arno. You remember the drill, right?
Hold it.
Hold it up here and up there, and just hold it against the house. I have to go inside and adjust it so that it's in the perfect spot before I screw it in. Okay? Keep on holding. Okay, scoot over just a little bit. Okay. Keep on holding though. You want to put both hands there. And let go, okay?
Okay.
Just making room. Yeah. Okay. So that side needs to get lifted a little bit.
Okay.
You don't have to lift anything. I will lift it.
Okay. My arms are being tortured, but it's good for you because it keeps your arms strong.
You holding?
Yes, I'm holding.
Okay, good. Keep holding. I need to make sure it's level before I start putting screws in. And
Can I ask you to hold it next?
okay, take a break. I got it. And it's level. Are you ready to hold it again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, hold it. Go inside and see if any screws are sticking out.
Okay. Any screws, you say?
Yeah.
Um.
Check it out. Window, lock, window open, both windows open, handle, slide. Okay, slide and turn. Anti-clockwise on the left window. Clockwise on the right window. Okay, all this goes in the green bin. That's fine, the gray bin.
On the first day of our road trip from Mount Vernon,
Yeah.
when we first left my dad's house,
Yeah.
remember we made a stop at one of the houses my mother used to live in?
Yes.
That house was owned by a friend of ours. Of course, I think we told you this.
Yeah.
He lives in New Zealand now, and he
Thomas.
had to sell it, and he's German, so
That's right.
my father knew him, so. Don't you think it's a better idea to maybe... Oh, I thought you were going to do it on the wall instead of on the window.
I will do it on the wall this time, actually,
Why is
and on the window.
Why is that?
The reason is, I noticed from the inside there were some gaps
Mm-hmm.
when I did it this way. I don't want any gaps because then the water will get in there. I'll just do a thin coat of caulk on the window.
Does it stay this wet, or...
No, it dries out. The point is, I'll do this on the window
Mm-hmm.
as well as the house. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I will put it on the wall, and you'll just hold it in place as usual.
Okay.
And then I will go inside and adjust it and before I screw it in. Just resting on there?
No, it's not resting on there.
How about now?
Yes, it's resting on there.
Okay. Now just gently stand on the ground here, and then just hold it there. Now don't push it too hard, but just don't let it fall